Hey, hello everyone. Let me introduce you with ShopZBuilder. It's a traffic building all-in-one megastore creator software where you can build your own brand and style of your online store. Alright, once you created your store will look like this and you will have full control over it. You can customize it with your own product, own brand and whatever you want from the admin area. So this is the ShopZBuilder admin area. And you can customize everything from here. Well, we said it all in all. It's because of this product section. You can see that you can add product, different types of product. You can add physical product, digital product, licensed product, campaign product, and product on demand. So this is how you can add multiple types of product on your store. Also, we have the affiliate product section. You can add affiliate product to your store, and also others can sell product as a vendor and you can manage them from the vendor section. Then you can see the awesome features of this application. You can manage your product categories and you can divide them into main category, subcategory and child category. Then you can set up the cross-selling relations, which is super awesome. And then you can see that you can upload bulk product, you can set coupons, you can set up the general settings, you can set up autoresponder, you can set up the email, you can set up the payment gateways, and you can set up the social media settings and other settings. So this is how you can control your store, and this is how you can use the awesome features of this application. And the most important thing is you don't have to pay monthly recurring fees like Shopify and others application. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.